This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachurdiz. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. Equities got off to a positive start on Monday as stronger than expected manufacturing PMI data out of China provided investors with some respite from the doom and gloom of the pandemic. A rapid escalation in COVID-19 cases in Europe has plunged much of the continent back into lockdown, with France and Germany announcing tighter restrictions over the past week. European shares plunged last week as it became increasingly doubtful that a double-dip recession can be avoided, and major bourses were mixed at the start of Monday trading. However, Asian stocks were more buoyant, and U.S. stock futures were also in the green. But those gains are likely to be a short-term correction at best, as the steadier mood will probably not hold for long given the major events that are lined up this week. Americans will be voting for a new president and congressmen tomorrow, and who wins the White House and which party gets to control Congress looks set to determine the timing and size of the next fiscal stimulus package in the United States. The need for further fiscal assistance is greater than ever, and this is what the Fed is likely to stress when it announces its policy decision on Thursday. Opinion polls continue to suggest Democratic candidate Joe Biden will comfortably win the presidency. But as things stand, the chances of a stimulus deal between Republicans and the Democrats are slipping fast. The absence of a deal is likely to add pressure on the Fed to do more to support the economy. But for now, there are few worry signs from U.S. data, with Friday's jobs report expected to confirm the improving picture. The heightened sense of caution ahead of those crucial events drove investors to the safety of the U.S. dollar, while gold also inched higher. The same cannot be said, though, for European currencies, as both the euro and the pound deepened their 10-day-long slide. Sterling in particular stood out as the worst performer on the first trading day of November. Prime Minister Johnson announced a one-month lockdown for England on Saturday, as regional curbs have failed to stem the surge in COVID cases. In the meantime, UK-EU negotiators are meeting again this week as the talks enter an intensive phase. An update on the status of those talks is expected midweek. The Australian dollar also lagged its peers on Monday as the Reserve Bank of Australia is highly anticipated to deliver more policy easing at its meeting on Tuesday. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at xm.com.